Alright, hello everyone, Anthony Austin here, doing another rapid fire review. As you can see, we're back in my kitchen. Anyways, my wife and I decided we wanted to grab a new weapon, a shotgun. So we went looking for a simple, cheap pump action shotgun to a local gun shop, and she saw something she just couldn't live without, I suppose, because the next day she went out and bought it. And instead of a pump action, we got something kind of unique. This is a Charles Daly. And let's see what we got here. Yeah. This has something unique. Charles Daly NS4 12 gauge shotgun. This is a Bullpup semi-auto that uses detachable box magazines. Here, the box got one right here. Like so. Box magazines. It's got a 19 3/4 inch barrel. It'll shoot 3 inch or 2 3/4. Let's see here. It uses Benelli chokes. It's, the bottom here stock here is synthetic, while the upper is anodized aluminum. Let's see, and that's about it. So you've got side charging, so it's not ambidextrous. It only charges on one side. Ejection ports right here. So we got a little barrel plug in there still. Let's check it out. Alright. Neat, huh? Anyways. We have a manual barrel, empty barrel indicator. Little bag of parts has the piston for the, if when you want to switch to a 3 inch shells, you gotta switch out the piston, and of course the key for the chokes. Alright, the safety on this is a cross bolt or crossbar safety. Safety's on, can't pull the trigger. Safety's off, can pull the trigger. The bolt forward, not going to happen. So you got to drop the magazine comes out, looks like AR style push. Yep. Drops out. The bolt release is really AR style, if you can see here. Press on the bolt release. Chunk. Alrighty. I'm going to dry fire it, find a safe location. Yeah, trigger is not bad. It's really smooth actually for a Bullpup. It's soft. It doesn't have a lot of build-up. It's just smooth. The same weight the whole way through until it finally releases, there's no like stopping and break point. Charging handle, we got a little rubber cup here with it's a little bit in the bar. Not bad. Comes with these high-speed AR style flip-up sights. Those are going to get switched out fairly quick. We got a nice padded rubber buttstock. Not a bad little weapon. Anyways, we got this for around $630. It only comes with one magazine, but that's going to be another issue altogether. In order to get drum magazines for these, I think they sell 10 and 15 round magazines as well. It's just finding someplace that has them in stock right now because it seems to be real popular. But yeah, I like it. That's going to be cool to actually go fire. That's about it. Yeah, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. It's going to be, yeah, really natural. Bring it up, shoot. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, this is the Charles Daly N4S Bullpup shotgun. Let's see where this got information here. Chiappa Firearms, USA, Dayton, Ohio. And it was actually made in Turkey, not the US. She wanted the, she saw that she likes this gold anodized gold anodized upper here, CD defense. It's got rails on the bottom, sides, a swiveling sling point there, and a molded in sling point here in the back. Huh. Can't wait to get out and shoot it. All right, that's it. Any questions? See you when I get it done.